Okay, so for the next topic, okay, all our alignments, our profile, and the cross section is ready. We can now go here. We can select the alignment now, and then here in the contextual tab, we can select now corridor. Okay, for this one will be road F25. And then for the profile, so as you can see here, we have named it properly. So we can select now here road F25 PGL. For the assembly, we have only one cross section created. We can left click on this one, and then we don't need to have the target surface for now. So we don't have another surface as of now. Then I don't want to set the baseline and region parameters. So we will do it later. Okay. Then I'll select OK now. Then as you can see here, okay, so we have created already our corridor. So if we will go here to object viewer, we'll have this one. Okay, so as you can see here at the end, I'll just change this corridor properties, codes, all codes, apply OK. Again, object viewer. Then let's say we'll have this one. So as you can see here, we have this, okay, waterfalls at the end. Yeah, and also at the curve area, we have also this one. So can we do a regenerate to fix this curve? Let's say RE. Okay, so it cannot be done here. Okay, so that's why we have snap at we have used this transparent command. Okay, the profile station elevation tool to snap at elevation and starting station 0. So here at the starting station, it did not drop to elevation 0 because we have snapped it. But because at the end, we have just traced our design profile, so we did not reach to the end station. Okay, or the last station of the alignment does not have an elevation. Okay, so it's either here, okay, it's this one. Okay, we can extend it. Okay, we can extend it. Okay, and then now here, we can rebuild this one. And then if we go to object viewer now, there's already a level. Okay, but here, so how to correct this one, the curvature, go to corridor properties, and then in the parameters, okay, we have this region. So again, what's the name of the red icon before? It's the assembly baseline, right? Yeah, so as you can see here, we have the baseline, BL baseline. So it's the alignment. For the corridor, the baseline is the alignment, and the road, it's the region. So this is the full region, so RG. Okay? Then here, we can rectify this curve area by going to frequency, and then here, curve, let's say 2, and then 2 meter. Okay? It's for the horizontal baseline. Okay? In the curve increment, and here, for the vertical curve, we need to set it also in a closer interval so that we can have an accurate levels. Okay, let's say 2 meters also. Select OK now, apply, rebuild, and then OK. Okay, if you will go now to object viewer again, it's good now. Okay, so we will have this one. Okay, and then here, once we have now our corridor, Okay, once you will select the corridor, here in the contextual tab, select this launchpad panel drop down. Then you can have this option, points from corridor. Okay, and then here, um, I will select this one. I don't have the option to uncheck it. I need to, sorry, I need to uncheck it one by one. Let's say that I would like to place here the setting out points. Okay, so I know that the ETW is the edge of traveled way, the crown, and for the top of curve, I have this one. For the flow line gutter, and then let's say I will have this one. Okay, and as you can see here, you can adjust this one. So you will have this one now. Okay, if you go here, tool space, point groups. So this is that. So all these points belongs to point one groups. So let's say I will change. I need here to create another one. Then this one now will be PENZD. Okay, I'll go to layout, and then here point description. Okay, I'll remove the point description, then point number, point elevation. Point elevation I'll remove also. And yes, so I will have this one. In the point number, I will place everything here. Okay, I will have point number, and then easting, and then easting, 3 decimal places. Okay, northing, then again 3 decimal places, then elevation, elevation. So we have now point elevation now. Okay, then add it here, and then let's say for normally for description we don't need to place the description. Okay, for the setting out, so it's understood that these are the top levels. Okay, let's say okay, and you will have this one. Okay, say apply. Okay, apply, then okay, then from here you can adjust this one. Okay, so we can just select which part we will place the points. Okay, we can place here the edge of travel way, so we can do it here. Okay, using this one. Then here again, we know already how to export this one for setting out. Okay, so we can do this one. But still, if you will check here, we have the intersection, right? So still we will create the intersection, and then we will have the parking bay, how to create the parking bay also.